Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is bless me success. Bless me success. मुझे कामयाबी की दुआ दो. Second, coming through. Coming through. मैं आ रहा हूँ. 3. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. अपनी हद में रहो. 4. Come down stairs quickly. Come down stairs quickly. सीढ़ियों से जल्दी नीचे आओ. 5. Pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to yourself. खुद पर तवज्जो दो. 6. Control yourself. Control yourself. संभालो खुद को. 7. Consider me your own. Consider me your own. मुझे अपना ही समझो. 8. Winters are about to start. Winters are about to start. सर्दियाँ शुरू होने वाली हैं. Don't disturb my mind. 9. Don't disturb my mind. मेरा दिमाग मत ख़राब करो. The last one is 10. Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? तुम किसकी बात कर रहे हो? So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.